This video shows how to randomly select an item from my list. So let me open Python 3 console. Then I'm going to create a list named mylist with 3 items 5, 6 and 7. Then I'm going to import random module. This random module has a function called choice. We can use this choice function to select one item randomly from any list. So in this choice function we need to pass the list. So you can see I have passed this list here. So let me execute this statement. You can see that it has returned 7. If I run it again, see it's returned 6, 7, 6, 5. See, this way we can randomly select an item from a list. If we have to use this random module, this random module has a lot of other functions. We can check it like this: dir, then module name. You can see here, you can see the function which we used right now. So you can see a lot of other options. You can check it. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.